Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I season my baked chicken. So this is my beautiful chicken that has been thoroughly washed, of course, with some vinegar and lime. You can use lime alone or vinegar alone. And here I'm adding 3 tablespoons green seasoning or blended seasoning. I'll link those below. 2 tablespoons chicken seasoning, or you can use all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. This is optional, but I love a little kick in my baked chicken, and I'm going in with 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, and I'm just gonna add half teaspoon salt to taste. Now be careful with the salt. If your seasoning has salt in it, then do not add any salt, right? So yeah, go ahead and do what? Rub a dub dub and a rub and a dub. You want to get that seasoning all over this beautiful chicken, get it all up in there. So for those thighs, you make sure that you just rub it in. So for the thighs, anywhere you see a little opening, and same thing for the leg, just rub the seasoning in there, yeah? But this is it all done. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it, quick and fast. And I mean, yes, and look at it. It looks so delicious. Thoroughly seasoned, right? Listen, if it's not thoroughly seasoned, I'm not taking part. But yeah, I set it aside to marinate overnight or even 4 hours. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and share the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. God bless you.